COVID-19 shots for young children. The CDC has given the green light for kids age 5 to 11 to receive pediatric doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. And the Idaho Department of Health and Welfare is working to get supplies to local medical providers. Ricardo Coronado has more on availability and what parents should know.
This is a very exciting day for those of us who are involved with taking care of children. We all know the tragedy and what we've all had to endure with coronavirus.
Health staff with Primary Health Medical Group say Pfizer COVID-19 doses for children between the ages of 5 and 11 is now available at some of their clinics.
You get dose number 1, and then it's very specific. The next dose comes at 21 days. If for some reason the child gets it, a week beyond the 21 days, it's still okay. But you have to wait the 3 weeks because you need to give a chance for the antibodies, in a sense, to build up. And you want to get to the point where if you give it too soon, before the 3 weeks, you wouldn't get as good a response.
Dr. David Peterman says they administer a small dose of the Pfizer vaccine to this age group. Clinical trials have been reviewed by the CDC and FDA.
And what they found was, first of all, the kind of side effects that children had seemed to be less frequent, not as great as with adults. And the typical things we have heard about with COVID vaccine, which is sore arm, feeling a little achy for a short period, and sometimes a fever. Those are the common side effects.
Peterman recommends parents contact their child's doctor or a family pediatrician if they have concerns or questions about the vaccine. Primary Health is accepting walk-ins, but encourages families to make an appointment online. Primary Health Cole and Fairview, Meridian Crossroads, Nampa Garrity locations are already offering the vaccine. The Victory and Cole location will start on November 8th.
If we vaccinate our children, think of what we can accomplish. We can have our children in school safely. We can decrease the spread of COVID in our schools. And also along with that, that means with Thanksgiving coming, Christmas coming, and maybe with grandparents or a relative that has an immune disorder, that we don't have to worry that the children are going to infect them. They'll be vaccinated.
Ricardo Coronado, Idaho News 6.
Family Medicine Residency of Idaho say they'll start offering the Pfizer COVID-19 for children age 5 to 11 early next week and will offer the vaccine to its established pediatric patients first, and then will be the vaccine available to others. Those other locations at a later date. 3 St. Alphonsus clinics will start accepting appointments on November 8th. More details at idahonews6.com.